If something happened to you today, would your family be financially okay tomorrow? Not many people in Kenya have life insurance, and among those who do, very few have enough. Today we're talking about life insurance in Kenya and how much cover is actually enough. Let's break it down simply. When we say enough cover, we mean this. Your family can still pay rent. Your children stay in school. Loans are cleared. Daily life continues, and your loved ones don't struggle financially. Life insurance isn't about getting rich. It's about protecting the people who depend on you. Here's a simple rule most experts use. Your life insurance cover should be about 10 to 15 times your annual income. So if you earn 600,000 shillings a year, your ideal cover is between 6 and 9 million shillings. But that's just a starting point. Let's personalize it. There are 5 main things that determine how much cover you really need. First, your monthly expenses: rent, food, transport, utilities. Multiply this by at least 1 to 2 years to give your family breathing room. Second, your dependents. Do you have a spouse, children, parents, or siblings who rely on you? The more dependents you have, the higher your cover should be. Third, outstanding loans: car loans, mortgages, personal loans. Your life insurance should be enough to clear all debts so your family is not left carrying the burden. Fourth, education costs. School fees in Kenya are no joke. If you have children, think long-term, from primary all the way to university. And fifth, your future goals: buying land, building a home, starting a business. Good life insurance protects those dreams even if life takes an unexpected turn. Now, here's the mistake many Kenyans make. They buy life insurance based on what their friend bought, or they pick the cheapest premium, or they accept a random figure suggested by an agent, instead of calculating their real financial needs. That's risky. Let's look at a quick example. Say you spend 50,000 shillings per month. You have 2 kids, you owe 1.5 million in loans, and you want school fees and daily living covered. You could easily need 5 to 10 million shillings or more in life cover, not 500,000. Big difference. Here's the truth. Life insurance is not one size fits all. Your age, income, responsibilities, and goals all matter. That's why professional guidance is important. If you're not sure how much cover is right for you, don't guess. Let step-by-step insurance help you calculate the exact amount based on your real life situation. Reach out today for a free consultation. We'll walk with you step by step. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more simple insurance tips, and share this with someone who needs to protect their family. Until next time, stay insured, stay protected.